In this lecture, we're going to show how to use a tool Autoballoon. So let's go to Annotation tab and let's select Autoballoon. And now nothing happens. Now we have to choose a drawing view. So let's choose this view, and now here we can see our balloons. Here we can define the balloon layout. We have different pattern types. So we can go here, layout balloons to top, like this. We have a down, left, right, we have square, and we have circular. Let's go here to the left, like this. Now here we have a check, ignore multiple instances. We can uncheck this, and now we have 2 4s, 2 1s, and so on. Let's check this again. Now here we can see that we have magnetic line. If you don't want a magnetic line, you can uncheck here, insert magnetic lines, like this, and now we don't have magnetic line. But let's check this, and now here we can choose leader attachment. We have 2 edges. So as we get closer, here we have 2 edges. We can change this to faces, like this, and now here we have 2 faces, as you can see, like this. And here we can choose balloon style. We have a circular, triangle, box. For example, let's go with triangle, like this. And here we can choose a leader style. We can go use document display. We can check this, and we can choose here a different leader style. For example, let's go like this. Here we can choose the thickness. Let's go like this. So this is how you can use Autoballoon tool in SOLIDWORKS.